10 years. It's been 10 years since I started cooking professionally, and from the day one it was my dream to get one of these. Here we are, 10 years later, my first KitchenAid. A pair of KitchenAid scissors. Hello. Almost with him for a second. Okay, this is gonna go down. Let's get it out from the box. I'm ready for this. Oh, you got some paperwork? Come on. I don't need that shit. Hand wash only. No shit. I want to put it to my dishwasher. Okay, you can purchase all the attachments. I will. Trust me. Let's put it on the side. Welcome, KitchenAid family. Blah blah blah. Thank you. Ah. We got a hook. Number 1. How do they do it? Like, oh, I don't have my else. Sorry. That's it from this side. Nothing else on this side. So, oh, Jesus, the color. Come on. Can you see how beautiful it is? I love this. Wow. Welcome home. You got a whisk, a QUART, American, and what is this? Okay, that's the registration for extended warranty. Okay, I need that. Okay, let's put it here. My brand new KitchenAid. The color is absolutely beautiful. It's called Juniper. Juniper. It's called Juniper. Juniper, whatever. Check out how gorgeous it is. Wow. Let's check if it's working. Let me remove this. Bye. Okay, now the moment of truth. Hell yeah. And hold on, I got one more thing. Check it out. So I guess for the videos that's gonna be better, so you can actually see what's going on inside the bowl. I got a glass bowl. Nice. Only extra $75. What you gonna do? So you got a lid. You're gonna need that for proofing. You got a cardboard for nothing. Hopefully it's not broken. Is it? No, it's not. That's how it's supposed to be. And you got a mixing bowl. Isn't it too big? Is it gonna fit? It's way bigger than this one. Isn't this for the professional one? And I just bought the wrong mixing bowl? No way. Okay, let me detach Okay, let's do this first. That's the right way to do it. I guess it's alright. Oh, it's too big. It looks ridiculous. Check how big it is. Since 1919, whatever. 4.7 liter bowl for, no. Fits all 4.5 quarter and 5 quarter tilt head stand mixer. But this is 5.5. Isn't it? 5. Alright, that's a 5 quarter, so it's gonna fit. Nice. So let's detach it, let's wash it, and get ready for a lot of baking videos. Most definitely. That's actually nice. I appreciate this. I think you can use it for both. You don't have to keep wasting the cling film. Voila. So please like and subscribe and stay tuned. A lot of baking videos, recipes are coming now. So for the next couple months, it's gonna be only baking. Yeah. Thank you.